One cannot think well, sleep well if one hasn't dined well. Food is our body's fuel, and realizing the importance of food, the central government is trying to provide a major boost to the food processing sector by adding value and reducing food wastage at each stage of the supply chain. The government is continuously trying to introduce modern technology into the food processing industries from both domestic and external sources. In another significant attempt, Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Narendra Singh Tomar virtually inaugurated the India's best mega food park at Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Let's get to know more about mega food parks. The Mega Food Park aims to ensure value addition, longer shelf life for farm produce, better price realization for farmers, excellent storage facility, and an alternate market for farmers in the region. The park will not only benefit the local farmers, processors, and consumers, but shall also increase employment opportunities immensely and shall provide an impetus to the growth of the food processing industry. It is expected to provide direct and indirect employment to about 5,000 persons and benefit about 25,000 farmers. Moreover, the modern infrastructure created at the park will also assist the processors and consumers of adjoining areas. So far, 37 mega food parks have been sanctioned and currently 22 mega food parks are operational in the country. To incentivize the setting up of agro-processing clusters in the country, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries has been implementing a scheme under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampat Yojana. The scheme includes processing or preservation infrastructure like cold storage, pre-cooling chambers, ripening chambers, specialized packaging, food testing laboratory, cleaning, grading, sorting and packaging facilities, steam generation boilers and setting up of warehouses. Further, the ministry has been implementing a separate scheme for the development of mega food parks. Let's get to know more about this scheme. The Mega Food Park scheme is based on the cluster approach and envisages the creation of state-of-art support infrastructure in a well-defined agriculture or horticulture zone. It has funded 41 Mega Food Park projects in different states and union territories. Under the scheme, the Government of India provides financial assistance up to Rs 50 crores per Mega Food Park. The information regarding the pattern of assistance and release of grants is available on the website of the ministry. A strong and dynamic food processing sector plays a vital role in enhancing the shelf life of food products and ensuring value addition to agricultural produce. From farm to market, the central government is actively participating in the commercialization of agriculture, enhancing the income of farmers, and creating surplus for the export of agro and processed foods. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.